Alright guys, so today we just made 5.2k USD trading ES. Very nice day, set up, everything worked out perfectly, and we ended the month in profit, and everything is in profit right now, so that's nice. So like always, I'll show the stats, the recap, and all that. If you guys are enjoying, remember to subscribe, and yeah, let's start. So before I start, like I said in the previous video, I still have my 5 XFAs on Top Step, but when I used to trade on Take Profit, I forgot to cancel my subscription, so I had to renew it, right? And when I asked them for a refund, they told me I can give you a refund, but they only gave me basically $40 back. So I'm like, okay, I'll just keep it and I'll just full port it or something, right? Because I am focusing on Top Step X. I don't care about Take Profit. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. So today we had news at 10, so orange folder, but we had news at 10. So let's start by showing the stats. Okay, let me just show you guys the accounts. So 1050, 1060 on all accounts, so that's 5.2k or something. And the performance right there, one trade, one and done, easy profit. Not only we wiped out all the losses that we took this week, we ended up in profit, and now we have a new month, right? So I'm pretty confident soon we're gonna have a payout, right? And remind you guys, I only started like the half of the month, right? So half of the month I already made 1.2 multiplied by 5, around 6k USD, right? So that's pretty nice. And I'll even say this was all on NQ, right? And then yesterday, not to make excuses, but I could have won, right? But anyway, doesn't matter. So I know we're gonna have a payout very soon. That said, let's start the recap. So like always, let me zoom in. So we have this high, which is Asia and London high, so they both had the same high. Asia low, London low, right? Then I looked for any fair value gaps. I seen this one, so I'll just mark it up. Go on the 30-minute, everything looks good, perfect. Go on the 5-minute, and let's start. I'll keep it simple, pretty easy today. So market open 9:30, we're waiting. 9:50, reminds you guys we have news at 10. 9:50, what is this? Asia low. We reject off Asia low. From there, as soon as there's a pullback, I'm in. And 1, 2, 3 easily, right? But at 10, we pushed all the way up, even more than half of what I'm aiming for. So I'm like, okay, this might just push all the way to London high. From there, I was aiming for more, right? But I was training my stop loss because I'm not dumb. I'm not gonna risk all the profit I made. Okay, so I was saying I entered at 9:55, got my 1 to 3 already. I'm aiming for more. Then this gap, we break this gap or fair value gap, whatever you want to call it, and we're just ranging in here, right? So from there, I'm waiting, but my trailing stop loss, I placed it for a 1 to 3. So worst case scenario, I still get my 1 to 3. Best case scenario, I get 1 to 5 or something, right? Then we just ended up going down, and I closed at 1k something, like you guys seen. If you guys didn't see, go check out the short. I was actually taking a shit while I closed my trade, but anyway. Yeah, because market was just ranging, and at this point I had to go to the bathroom. But yeah, anyway. Then as we see later on, 11:25, 11:30, this gap ended up working out, and 1 to 3 easily, even more. So yeah, we had like some setups today. Very nice day for sure. So that was the recap for today. Let's go, I guess, enjoy the week, and we'll be back Monday. And yeah, pretty soon we'll get a payout. I'm already up 3 winning days, but doesn't matter because I want to hit a big payout. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys Monday.